Hi, boys and girls, it's Miss Skiba. So, for reading today, you guys are going to want to open up your learning packet that was in your backpacks, and you're going to find these pages for the book Moonlight Cat. And this is going to be just like last week when you guys cut and stapled to make the book Pam in a map. It's the same thing. So, on each page, there's a dotted line across the top and a solid black line down the middle. So what you guys are going to do is cut across that dotted line. So pretend I just cut it. And then you're going to fold across the center line. And this is going to make your pages. So to help you get the book in order, so we make sure we're reading from beginning to end, you guys are going to look down here and there's page numbers. So this says 3 for page 3 and this says 4 for page 4. So you guys are going to make sure you have your title page on top and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way until the end of the book. So after you get your book together, you guys are going to read it. You're really going to be working on the strategy that we've been doing all last week because I know you guys are getting really good at it. And you're going to be looking at the pictures, and then you're going to be thinking about what clues those pictures are giving you about the story. So maybe you're looking at the characters' faces. Are they happy, or are they sad, or are they surprised? That's all going to give you clues about what's happening in the story and what that story is about and how the characters are feeling. And then you guys are going to actually read the book, the words and the pictures, because we know that we can read books by the pictures and the words. So after you read the book, you can read it on your own, or you can have your mom or dad help you read the book. And you're really going to be focusing on that strategy, looking, thinking, and then reading. And then after you guys finish reading, I really want you to be talking about the book because that's really going to help us understand. Maybe your mom or dad had a different idea about what was happening in the book than you had. So you guys talking about it can really help you understand it a little bit better. So I want you to be asking your mom, how would you describe the girl or the cat? What kind of faces were they making? Did they look happy? Did they look sad? Did they look sleepy? Because I know cats and I think that they sleep a lot. And this cat, to me, he looks pretty sleepy. So you guys are going to be talking about all that stuff. You're going to be telling how the illustrations really helped you decide. How did you decide that the cat was sleepy? Because you saw him sleeping on the bed, right? And his eyes are closed and he looks really comfy and cozy. So you're using those illustrations to help you figure out what's happening before and after you read the words. So I can't wait to hear how it goes, guys, and I hope you really enjoy the book. Have a great day.